What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Balwinder Bartler, better known as Mr. Whisper, London-based street photographer and creator. Tonight, you guys are coming with me and my good friend Gus into London's West End on one of my regular photo walks. Neon lights, shadowy corners, and those fleeting moments you only get after dark. I've condensed 2 hours of the walk into 12 minutes. And it's been a while since I've made one of these videos, so I'm not sure if it's too long or too short. Meaning I'm really looking for your feedback at the end of this video to help guide future POVs. I'm going to attach my trusty GoPro to my chest to give you that FPV, so you can see exactly how I move, spot scenes, and capture them. I'm shooting with the brand new Fujifilm X-E5, paired with the XF23mm f2.8 pancake lens. Small, discreet, and perfect for blending into crowds. But honestly, not the first lens I'd pick for low light. But here's the thing, it didn't do too badly, and some of the results even surprised me. And what with the X-E5 now available in stores and low light season slowly approaching, I thought it would be a helpful video to make for you guys to see what kind of image quality you can expect with this setup. If you're new to the channel, please do support by hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, which is all I ask in return for making these videos. Now, let's navigate the hustle, dodge the tourist, and see just how far this combo can be pushed under the glow of the West End on a Saturday night.
फ्लैश चलाऊं फ्लैश चला ले फ्लैश बटन दबा फ्लैश नहीं फ्लैश की जरूरत नहीं
Some quick multitasking here whilst I remember I'm just grabbing some Instagram content using my phone. Feel free to follow me on Instagram as well. You can find me under Mr. Whisper.
Crack. It's got everything you can
Actually have to go up. The whole time I was just thinking of the
Uno in diretta sta numero.
So we just stepped out of Soho and into Regent Street. However, I forgot to switch my GoPro on, so the next couple of photos might seem out of context. And that's a wrap. I was genuinely surprised at how the 23mm, or more importantly, the f2.8 performed in these conditions. This video was made out of pure circumstance and curiosity. I was out with my friend Gus and our day photo walk extended into the night, and this was the only lens I had with me. I've shared 28 photos from this 2-hour session, and I'd say 6 of them are keepers. As when you zoom into some of the others, the image quality begins to degrade, mainly because I found myself pushing the ISO to 6400 to capture most scenes. However, if you're not a pixel peeper or mainly shoot by day, this lens is totally legit. If you want quality results in low light with the X-E5 body, you need to be using a prime lens with an aperture of f1.4, even better at f1.2 or at a stretch f2. I hope you enjoyed hanging out today. Which were your favorite photos? Was the POV too long, too short? Drop a comment below. Any feedback for future POVs would be most appreciated. If you guys have got any X-E5 related questions, simply hit me up. Or if you want to learn more about the X-E5, feel free to check out my previous in-depth review. If you're interested in getting into low-light street photography for yourself, in the next few months I'll be running some personal one-to-one workshops and a couple of group workshops in collaboration with Fujifilm. I'll link all that good stuff below. If you're new to the channel, please do support by hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And you're always welcome to come say hi and follow along on my Instagram for more frequent and short form content. I'll see you in the next one, if not somewhere on the streets of London. Mr. Whisper over and out. Peace.